Hello girls, today we will solve together problem C16. So the problem says, if you know only the initial position, the final position, which means if we know the initial position and the final position, we know the displacement and the constant acceleration. So we know the acceleration, which is constant, of an object. Can you calculate the final velocity? Can we find the final velocity? So how do we think about this problem? This is a problem with constant acceleration, which means the formulas for constant acceleration apply. I will write them down. So these are the four formulas for motion with constant acceleration. And as we said, they will be given to you in the test. So I look at them. I need one that gives me final velocity. The second one gives me final velocity. The third one gives me final velocity. And the fourth one gives me final velocity. Okay, so let's take a look at the second one. Do I know initial velocity? I don't. Do I know the acceleration? Yes. Do I know the displacement? Yes. But here we have two variables, so this is not useful. So let's look at the second formula. It gives me Vf, the final velocity. Do I have the initial velocity? No, again. Do I have the acceleration? I do. Do I have the time? I don't. Three unknowns in this formula. Again, it's not useful. Let's look at the third one. Do I have a displacement? Yes, I do. Do I have the initial velocity? No. Do I have the time? Again, no. Last step I can do is to double check the fourth, or in this order, the first formula. Do I have the displacement? I do. Do I have the initial velocity? No. Do I have the time? No. Do I have the acceleration? I do. Again, we have two variables. So, none of these problems, none of these formulas give me what I need, and I cannot find the final velocity. So I answer it this way. No. And I say, because none of the formulas I have allows me to calculate final velocity from the given information. So it's enough to show these formulas and show that you've tested them the way I did, and to write this sentence. Thank you.